Look at those Sprunki eggs! Imagine the omelets! Scratch that. It's right about to hatch. It's Oren, and she's all to pieces. Let's see who's next. Sky! Now let's put you together. Now for our super special ingredient. Wow! Now they're really coming together. Now the fun can begin. Wow, flowers! But flowers have bees, thorns, pollen. Inside is just looking better and better. I'm sure a little surgery can fix you up. Well, it's not gonna hurt you anymore. Why don't we grow you an eye tree? Ooh, and you can choose any color. Blue? Makes sense. Now let's try some pink eye. Oh, hey, you dropped something. A matchbook? This is a German children's tale just waiting to happen. Uh-oh, where's a rainstorm when you need one? Well, guess you won't need all that wood. Especially since there's no more campsite. Naughty Sprunkies, you don't play with matches. What are you up to now? Ooh, cardboard. I almost thought you were gonna give him a hot foot. Instead, you're making him a new shelter. And there's nothing wrong with some customization. Just in time, too. It looks like rain. Ooh, it looks like Oren needs to go. What are you gonna do with those shoes? I wonder if Oren is part cat. Let's just hope you brought another pair. A good sense of smell would help too. Ugh, we need to clean those feet. See? It always pays to touch grass. But some new shoes wouldn't hurt. Quite the opposite. Grab some cardboard. Now trace around your foot. Leave some wiggle room.
Cool. Yeah.
Poke some holes. And run some twine through them. Soon, you'll be standing tall in your new sandals. Guess you found new sneakers after all. If only you could find a shortcut, too. The Sprunkies look exhausted. Don't worry, there's nothing that pants can't solve. Yes, pants. They're not just clothes. With a little lacing up, they're an instant Sprunki holder. Step right in. There's a leg for each of you. Plus plenty of room for snacks. Uh-oh, it's thunder. Guess we don't need a white noise machine. But that's too loud. Are you scared? Oh, there's nothing to be afraid of. A little arts and crafts will take care of things. We just need to make you a paper doll.
Cool.
And then shine a little light on things. See, the dark's not so scary. How else would we make shadow puppets? See? They're all getting in on the act. All this camping sure is hungry work. Grab the chips. Wait, they're not for eating? Oh, they're fuel for the fire. Burning calories has never been easier. I see.
Wow.
You're in the mood for eggs. Add to the can with plenty of water. Now the fire can get things cooking.
Yeah!
Soon, you'll have fresh, hard-boiled eggs. And don't worry, there's enough for the whole class. Uh-oh, looks like someone forgot to turn off the iron at Sprunki Hospital. Don't cry, guys. We'll figure it out. Quick, we need water. That's not quite what I meant. We need to get this new mama out of here. Your chariot awaits, madam. Now that's what I call an entrance. The doctor will see you now. But I think she needs a doc. Hi, Wenda. Ooh, I guess she's our new nurse. And she doubles as storage space. In fact, there's enough room in here to make a whole new clinic. The blue room will be perfect for a delivery room. She needs help, but we can draw up a solution. And it looks like we're keeping the Wenda theme going. Next up, we're gonna need some filling. And it'd be a shame to waste all this slime. Besides, Wenda could use a splash of color. Smush it up for a quick ultrasound. Wow, technology really is amazing! Looks like Pinky needs some medicine. The doc recommends 30 cc's of Sky. Looks good, but now let's roll it up. We need this medicine to work fast. Let's hope Pinky's not afraid of needles. 'Cause she's about to get the point. Don't worry, it's nap time soon anyway. Pinky deserves the best equipment. And if we don't have it, we'll just have to make some. Just don't forget to hook up the wiring. Speaking of which, don't forget to hook up Pinky too. Do we have any leftover wires? We can use them to make more stuff for Pinky. Unconscious people can't really ask for water. So Pinky's gonna need IVs for some electrolytes. Orange and green, her favorite. Besides pink, of course. You know, Pinky's really got a head for medicine. Just in time. Her vitals seem just right. Now why don't we take a look inside? Growing up, I was told babies come from the Cabbage Patch. Still, it's nice to know cabbages are still involved. Aw, when you thought pinkies couldn't get cuter. But it looks like your mama's still sleeping. Why don't we keep you safe and sound here? Next, we're gonna need some matchboxes. Now let's break for a little magic trick. First, a cover. Now for some drawers. Now empty this candy container. Break it up into a bunch of flat pieces. Now we can arrange it into a new shape. Can you tell what we're making? That's right! It's baby's first incubator. Aw, and just in time to meet Mama. Now you're gonna need baby furniture. Don't tell me, was Simon the designer? On second thought, something this cool belongs in a hospital. Now add some medicine. Some plants for atmosphere. And a minifig skeleton completes the room. Of course, modern doctors go digital. So we need to whip up a laptop. What, like it's hard? But why does this laptop look familiar? I know. Add a hat, and it's Mr. Fun Computer. Just in time, Oaxis wants to check his email. What's wrong? Forgot the Wi-Fi login? Oh, I see. We forgot to make a matching seat. Sit down. Besides, your next patient's here. Ooh, Ratty, you don't look so good. From a medical perspective, of course. Now fold up some paper and flatten it up. Next, fold it up like a great big smile. But what's better than a smile? A stethoscope. So, Ratty, let's see if your heart is working all right. Looks like we've already got a diagnosis. Of course, there's nothing a fuzzy kitty can't fix. Besides, the best medicine is always love. But actual medicine is pretty great too, so be prepared. Let's start with something topical. Grab a cotton swab. Here, this should take care of all those blemishes. Plus some pimple patches. I think those spikes are attached. But maybe we should roll up some toothpicks and paper. Bend it up and add a face on things. Simon's, in fact. Now, how about a trim? Why don't we ditch those spiders? Wow, Ratty, you look a lot better. But how do you feel? Itchy, it seems. Naughty, Ratty, don't scratch. Calm down. We'll make something to help you. Draw out a shape like this and cut it out. Sorry, Ratty, but it's the cone of shame for you. Ooh, looks like the clinic still has a spare room. Roll up some paper covered in pinkies. Don't forget to add a little love, too. Of course, hearts traditionally need some red. good idea. Now you can really spread the love, as well as all of your favorite shapes. It's even better when they're scented. Next, let's make a bed, literally. You can guess who we've got in mind. Pinky! Now the new mama's got a suite all to herself. Okay, maybe not quite all to herself. Let's whip up something special for the baby. No need to make any wishes. We've got a lamp. So there's no need to be afraid of the dark. New mothers like their privacy. Some old ones too. You know, there's plenty of room in here to share. And Ratty deserves a nice rest after all he's been through. Let's check his diet plan to be safe. Hold on. Oh, you'd better be having a nightmare. Naughty, you've been sneaking sweets. We need something to keep your secret stash safe. And honestly, what's more safe than a safe? Let's just store your candy in here for now. At least until you're feeling better. Hey, don't be so red in the face. Never mind. Oh, what's going on now? Uh-oh! Ratty's burning up! He's red hot! Let's keep calm and check his temperature. Oh, just as we feared! He's got a fever! It's important to cool down and keep hydrated. And it looks like Nurse Aqua is here to help. She's your biggest fan, and it's cheaper than AC. Oh, it looks like everybody's getting top-notch treatment. Now, everyone, you all need a good night's rest. It's best to be rested when you get the bill.